watch me, man. Wage, what was me? Let me hear fame wage. I'm telling you about mass. Will you run you? Nepe. Mamma. Minimum dimmy, no matter.
Nem gave me a chant. Nano. Mrs. I live at Mamma, and you remember I'm not talking to you, and you remember. The same way, Minimash, and the moon, I don't tell me, sir. I am one wage, let me say by Matata. Minimum watch of them so 400 now wish me.
I don't know, me, my family. Jana, and I was stop. Now I'm no one, and I'm one more about non funny base. Well, with a neighbor man. Miniature minimus come with man, me a minimus scanning name community. With man, they mean my was for 400 times. I bet you minimus are pelco 400 times, maximum so.
Just wait. Sometimes the children didn't even know that they had been sold by their parents.
They tell the parents that we have schools there, we will enroll them to schools for you. So you see them, they become a better children in future. It's a lie. They'll be taking these children to fishing in the morning, in the afternoon. And some of them eat twice a day, some of them once a day. So you remain there till you perish.
Watching no masses only motor check. I trace them some more master. We should school. I was come from my own put mongoose master from the dodging. I took our phone, let me get a model. The phone not. No, walk about me shanga.
Absolutely no education, they have a chance to go to school and have little to eat, and sometimes they get abused by their masters. Now, where have we heard this before? The Industrial Revolution, of course. We should leave history as history, because we don't want the bad effects of the Industrial Revolution to happen again.
Those kids in the Industrial Revolution sure had it rough. No school and all work, and they were separated from their parents just like these kids in Ghana.
In Ghana, the child generally grows up to do the same job as they had been doing in their childhood. And when they become fishermen, they recruit even more kids.
When these kids grow up, they're going to recruit even more kids. And they're going to do this by buying them from parents, paying them just as if they're normal jobs, and sometimes just rounding them up by going through the villages.
The children who are slaves to the fishermen in Ghana are not being treated well and are not getting the childhood that they deserve.
These children are not getting any education and are being separated from their families.
So that's why we are trying to make a point to help these children get their lives back.
If you want to help, don't buy fish from Ghana and support charities that are going there.
Child labor is a terrible thing, and it is no better in Ghana.
Right, yes, I'm quite a dim. Ankasa, you're calling him now, Kauno, yet to lay up Boncomo. Maka, you sure, if I may to share, and this is I would to move and in Aka, and come out to me bone.
In your account, and America, what the show common as a dog, the former member, Mukam Uniboco School, make sure to find. Now, rescue be a challenge what share one experience. Ever called that time and what's a classroom of what that was like you know what could done into the moment when uniform or come out and probably they could look at work school. And I found the whole night to walk fish and a the school class work or one that now paying point out to the land and a panda. It's no for you. Shrebe or kodo you are movie or aza or kodo ankasa it's all the day the move for yini there's actually a for there more kodo yin tie nyina obe ye ya no kor na ye bo yamba from mobile e show mo from ye it's wa gen ye odo wa me the show mo from ye it's off mo e bo da before be a an kantina wa hwe ne ye na wa 10 against na wa be street child no wa ba how oba and not telling baby come out any. It's a matter that say for that. The move for you to Yahofu. Now you shall there, you better your family. Now your family, ya Kakebe didn't be a no either. There's a more wako when anyone as assume. No Abba Ghana man.
Well, Ghana man, the winner sabbaty. Mark, a young be said the me programming some of your arts and car, what's that? And there. Wanted that was you were Ghana accredited action plan against child labor. Yeah, Yakoho and church. Recently, Yakoho church to them. Nina, you want to wire today. The moment and them action plan was me. Or CNAT, child labor coalition on child rights and child labor. You see that. Yeah, part of it, and most of the organizations who are want to child labor traffic are part of it. Yeah, them discussion in a year. The one in a good idea, they were there. You didn't funding now, Obama, years them implementation. Until America, them in our action now, it's a ban, although only them political world, or be implemented ye. I'm a young farmer, one to one. Instead of them strategy, them plan in our yeah, we are you son or yes, Wolfia, Mayash, so Wolfia, need me, Jankasankas or Otomozi, wire, the means of me, wire, Nkotoa, Otumna, Otzinijumazo, until I mega better organization, no. Wabba, Mother Papa, so Wolfia, I built motion with the BCBA, in Bilgum, Wabobe, if you don't know. Yes, until Babaka, or yes, Wolfia, soon some. Na mbelo so ya ma aye mudo so wo fia wada as a wotu wa on chale beni na no for so yetum ne yenya na hawa yetum na your fam now our organizer also there Ocha Kosa TV and so plan be do materials so that no designer also Ocean and Allah sana skido ya baba also tomorrow engineer Gloria Angela Gloria no so also the kudos Mr. Michael Techi, boiler no dominion papa, engineer, boiler das papa. Inti, but you share a Sewafia, Nijumezo tomorrow on child labor. Community however, you to me, Nijumezo, young colony.
Okay, it's you have a Sewafia. So if you are a woman-led organization, a Batan like work a woman-led, a Besia-led organization, or improve Besia for one can call me for one can call my farmer one can call. It is a very short, you know, you have a project P. The American Yankasa. Health, my farmer one health promotion, we IAB. Or yeah, reproductive health rights, IAB. Na kakra mpada me kan wasem or yeah, sacrifice. European Union project anu yin security rights in the fishing sector no. Or yeah 3-year project wako. Wa end into no. What's in there? Your bomb was in there. You see the child rights approach. It's in your training, a performing full naze your training kokohima for your training VSLA members no naze nyina na ye cheche wona na wo bo farmer wo ban no your community nyina wo bo ban if you so no you support challenge height more rescue more farmer from the water lake on your bread one Bushiafo Central Region ha you the penny no Central Region was it over for one call them water lake they rescue more than 40 more farmer when you one bay by this time when you now work school almost stipends and as one hour school no share juma na no kaka when you na if you know you share so na you hear them support livelihood options no there's a man abata no you training one on a bakery in Zama Bebre as you see no p na was in juma or this then or the brown and another project and also your body will and world against other baby then you celebrate the young they will try a many in other more farmer when you see as well here into no young keke you make sure that you're able to see here and ask cry into no library options as that pa and since I may kese pa so in there there you have a boy embassy for them may can want to susu into more than 40 village service loans associations are want to susu na was a one ban ma once the kasema then all kodo ye amahon if you know you want be safu piece of wire crowd ye on chebe ye kwhwe one petema na ya mo license or service education license scheme no ni na ye as kwana pede ye fa do ye to hiase ye kwana ye fa do to hiase into no say yeah them as nya na say me say for sika bo won say ma e be hwe oba what's the pop here na or the one more for my was here edumazen when you walk am na amaliza no ya mo eduma ya che kwa be for the bi ni sika na wakasa ala hwe wo mba wo ufia ewo na aze good ni nyina say ufia why then or yeah sisi no all volunteering project na no ye train fisher youth more than 100 may I support you a was a juma. Yes, ya che one shito ye, ya che one fish balls ye, ya che one in Zama P ya, what ya she one gua was in a juma P qua. Nina ya za ye, so if ya pede mo two hiase or two quarmonas. If you know, I can was a messia for fear for a juma will be what share Jumazina, no the manukuna. Or company ya man no that for the for na chere sika seven ba ye na ni na economic violence ye bo de ni na na se be den obotu ye na ye mbesi afu titiri na wa na wo bo ama wo bo won konom wo fa adwuma no mu nti ye hwe de ye guda ye hwe de mbesi afu ru benya dam eyi no ya bo bo ye mbenfo na no ye for men as allies nti eko yen afa adwuma no ma odu Tuesday and odu work up na be na watina patase dem patase ya come on games nzama wodi boludu dam na azo no won bono na ye won ye ntete fa kwana obofo obofo won bofo maye won ye num ye na won abusu ye and ye mu de wa ma ntase na ye dem abba because ye mu de say ye empower mesafo no kotin na say ahwa menfo na mbema wokofia ntase no ye dem on ye dwuma nti no yes the games na baby wo bo won ludu no wo bo won dam ye kwatena wo mu na enyi wo rizago na ye ncheche yes remon na ye mu de why azibia ozi nyimzi abre ye no menyimfo no pa ma wo so support won ye no ma wo hwe won mo from wo for dwuma ti selfia wo bo ntofa ma ye no if you ya fa ye mbesiafo bi ma why champions wo ka setia kwan bo na wo fa do watch enam nti no oya festival via ya there then yakọ oya next this week ya bekọ aboche na yakọ bodewu etia kwana ofodo what like kon bana ofodo watch them yakọ bodewu oya fetu afashe ye dina baketo ye oya Komenda wana afashe yakọ komu afete na onye baby a wo ya afehye bia no wotu sefe na yakọ na yakọ bodewu ma doma wa ba no watase de odo efa kwando pado ya chinam ye fi wo so ya nsi wa ya se we fi ya consumer awareness creation nti ehwa every year bia ya start ya Central Regional Fish Fair mesiafe na ya tete wono no ye hwe de mesiafe one na mapana wa ho no was babagum last year we were the cyber park enyim ho ye bodewu nam pi bo oye na amahen doctor cyber maba ho mo ye kama bubu ya no kama anenwa je pa afisu ye basa so ya ye kese pa otsen last year kwa because yenya besiafo no pia wenya one certificate a won so wa be de one number ba mankofo iron aboto enti no ye pere consumers na because one wo nam no wo do so one wo nam djuma no enti no se consumer na ehun nam papa na wa ya de one to a or the ever there is better or the book of it de bia make de yan nam aye ho de bo na obi awo ice kama na o so ani ti no de nam wusu hutuma na ma wa ho so pina wo yi ya na wa ye de wo chinam po na wo soa na wo gyedo chinam a itwa ya na area no na wa soa na nyina ye bodem be wo ni de ye consumer na ye kwotọ nama na wo de nam be exposed de ma mento it's nafta wo assemble was there na mo bon ye nto na mo bon ye nto say no to bad fish it's yen de we ye gbe nyina ma ye nyina anyi de wo biara nzi na mo bon because easy na bon okom and ya ba na ozma mo say we fia ye djuma yezi ne mo pa na ma bon tofa meza che ye ni assembly suzi kita ho fa kwana ba for da wo boboa we raise fans na onye ma communities you ever break the gap between assembly and community but what we share na wasn't one asamato assembly na nyima assembly na abo one nti ni nyina ya za esefia yeah maga aba how can of way to be or yesu akwan ma or so we fia hu djuma pa wotu mozen otu mo yema twatwa kwa twatwa challenges kaka community apathy community no all the time bia our community developer bia no in the community no bona wadwem de jama awunya broni da moskana awu elebe she won do ti bona emboa na ezebe ho no why then one pendi the Komenda buko Komenda ko ye VSA sensitization me mawo me touching on the mindset shift hena dwene ni de sikana wo ye jama ameza mo wata so de won wanza susu na eto na afisu na eto susu na mambi wana esu di susu na dikwa yewe djuma it's not a bit na wa dey your there se community development bo krom na obo bo ma wo djumezi wo bibi akoda edwetwe ho na community apeti no bada bo no fu de wa ma me ye djuma de do ma fam ho ma me ye na de ti no bo nde won kasa ho awa akona ebe ekwa ye djuma no ye ka me ka group bi a won sika so ya wo che we be nya be 3000 no be nya 500 one na atasa it's no anu ye one if you no funding should not go for kra it's no ode yakasa yetu ye hu siwo the community no ya ye bobo he ho ye be develop ye ho it's your asset p wo hen community no mu a ye botu yakasa ye za bo ya ho ba yetu ye za ye yakasa ye dezi yakasa ye ndwuma ma waboa ma ye ndwuma no akodo challenges no two units the strong one power motu my the funding streaming akofom na community apathy no so widen wa akofom it no community bia ye ko bia ye mu da wo ye na be na ye je ye ko another community ye ko community be tum da wo so he ye efa comment say de bia wo bo wona about do be ko mo wona about why willing because what say jumezina so no we mu fa so wo because I want to say one juma was na za wa bo won
all right every our boss I know what my friend read ma me so
yeah but in check say mama my boss Mrs. Victoria Chicha Komsen na mama mi Felicia Asari membe na me na me shira ho nyina
right ladies me gonna ya EDBC ya bada Opera market teti ibada na papa da yeto nsa frana automobile nti na soso kubo kwamen the maso na professor Kwamina Banfo eje asobese yefa survey professor ibada was papa that was off bill to build wada woman yesa campaign for ahopi hu jujuma and the pay cameras no Francis no autumn no share mobo em bibiara so autumn no oye pay ibada na papa MCR ya market no so to no otapinti opimpiani na tum no odedeye with the able support of our sport presenter our signature aba mudara no so oba betinasi nizi nizi ana no wa titenti na la bobo nizi Nizina tinta he afara kitwa nti wudine zincha for short na wudine tete TV na bo twa ne we yi ma na waya ma ababa na or the sport etu na aba awon so a wo hwe wo ya Facebook so yankubo nsia papa da mo dos into gba wonya ho nezin bibia bia hwe bia awon bia wonye market echi wa send message bia what others papa the minister papa da won so tum na wo hwen papa yi our actually what's the region for the mouse no or eastern region bia ho a wo setum ka ko sate be da was papa fifir mountain for sufu be da was ke e be da was papa Cape Coast north and south those are cooperation professor I do chum me CCTU prof yeta won ka acha ayi wa cheche for hina I chawo so ko de bia wetum na wo hwahin ankasa ye na ma ka acha mo sport le ba mezelesi Omar bin Abdallah oyo to fa na lepa e be for basa hehi aba ma amu ne te ya mo na hwe meje so nyima hinwa bye bye.
Hello, this is the Cell Gift Shop. We deal in handbags, ladies' bags, we deal in perfumes, and this is one of the bags I have, tote bag. This is from the US. It's very affordable, leather quality. We also have different perfumes, ladies and for men. They come in different brands and also very affordable. We also have Victoria's Secret, original Victoria's Secret from the US. We have affordable gifts already made for various occasions, for Mother's Day, Father's Day, birthday, anything you want to, any gift you want to do. We have GTP cloth as well for all occasions. When you come to the cell shop, we also have lunch bags, school bags for kids of all ages. We also have this beautiful customized birthday shirts for children. So when you want some, it's available. We have different tops, cartoon characters for children also. We also have men's underwears, this Harrison singlet as well, and then we have boxer shorts, different types, different sizes, and in different companies. It's a nice cute bag for kids, for church. They can take it to parties and all. It's all available at the sales shop. So when it comes to catering, we have these shafting dishes and then this dispenser for rentals. We take food orders for different occasions, weddings, engagements, birthday parties. So we have these also for rentals and then take food orders as well. We have these engagement boxes for sale. We also take orders. We do engagement wrappings. We can do it for you. It's available at the sales gift shop. So when you come to the sale gift shop, this is not all we do. We do wedding decos, card decos. We have hampers. We make hampers. We take food orders. We do drinks, sobolo, watermelon juice. Anything you want, we will be able to do it for you. We can help you plan your wedding, plan your engagement, how to make the design. We will do everything for you. The Cell Gift Shop, a place you can rely on. You call on us and we will deliver. Thank you. Hello, this is the Cell Gift Shop. We deal in handbags, ladies' bags, we deal in perfumes, and this is one of the bags I have, tote bag. This is from the US. It's very affordable, leather quality. We also have different perfumes, ladies and for men. They come in different brands and also very affordable. We also have Victoria's Secret, original Victoria's Secret from the US. We have affordable gifts already made for various occasions, for Mother's
All right, abusia for my car by the mobile coastal television. We brasso, I will can see on some dohrim you in international medina eba sumuni on said the nema esikwankas and matches be brina and of course we are there for namum the media no assume kotreko match ebe koso e was and zero gusi pemieza Abra International ethnic viatun inside afre Fossa Barca mom free Spain Barcelona for na yakwa kodru na agenda na the boys ahihye bibiri boys ni chirimu a omon kan sa asamomra na mum asem ni nya bade a ibedi ni peche e wo ba ma no so ensema hofro kan we hu ye behwe ne ekoso e wo Europe Real Madrid for so ye Trent Alexander-Arnold wanya ka se uja Liverpool boboku no after this season no na aba bedwane Real Madrid na ma ina tumi e kama Liverpool for na ye Arnold ni tini te se oyo owo oye snake a eno so ye nsemo efiri ebe ne ye bedi hu komopa e wo show ne so se no so se dwumade ni di Central Sports Arena men so e frame nyansa chiam ye suta no bofo akwa se wonsa enyanka ya de aka ho tumni kan tentem ko Facebook live Coastal TV Cape Coast on Facebook Coastal TV Cape Coast okwa wonsa betumi aka na Central Sports Arena wonso watumi afolo na ne manyina no atumi aye kama e wo ho ofri Facebook nso na and tempestuously or digital television so no okwa aka ho na kokko scan a Coastal TV eno channel 514 okwa wonsa ebetumi aka na ne manyina no atumi aye kama na no zo atumi aye kama wo ho ya je aboafo nkrato ye bape amana na ebetumi kantempa. Alright, Miss Anso, Emma Makwa by the mobile Coastal TV. So, I'm an some a brass so some maintenance and a minya daja de Kuzungu, Kukunyangu, de Papa Bidi. Now, me better than it, and the Chidemano who said the name to me air corner as Anso air, but Shannon so send no, and some be brain no fear, I'm the air by the someone to say, oh no, you're ready. And now Yan tell us so the account. So when you're link now, can't share Uko Facebook, Coastal TV Cape Coast, Coastal TV Cape Coast. Live on Facebook okwa onsa ebe to me aka na nema nyina no to me aye kama na no to me aye kama ho sanso na eye o digital TV ne so no channel 51 for Mike Wanyana asem no odi na dem de be ne no enti ano so yensem a every mo a eba boys ne hard pa Coastal TV Cape Coast live on Facebook no Coastal TV Cape Coast onko osabe to me akain away from that and also sans call digital TV no so call scan o scan na eno no Coastal TV channel 514 Coastal TV no channel 514 no onsa ebe to me akain away from that the enko close ye mo pata bibiri ni etwa su kokko obo so mponi enko close so yankokodi nkomo yanhwe ne ekoso amanane na afie no kakra yemfa emamu fa referee friend say Hernandez Mfoni no fa to so mame na Hernandez no kita red card a ode kire papa friend say Sergio Ramos unim say El Clasico match a eba bekoso no papa friend say Hernandez no ono na sabo no okọ no wakọkọ na nema nyina no atumi ayeka ma na nso atumi ayeka ma ho a Real Madrid for na start kasa biem say Hernandez no ono ne dwumadi a odi no eni emfa mo Real Madrid esan say over the years no wadi boss e de assisi Madrid na La Liga for ekwa appoint referee say omra no medi ball na nke no kwa say papa friend say Hernandez a eyen say mu efiri mu aba Real Madrid for no omode etudwa enti eye breaking say El Clasico match ye bekoso Saturday di anima eba no central referee no ebe referee friend say Hernandez efiri mu eba away from that enko papa friend say Lucas Vasquez no unizo na deputy captain e de man Real Madrid Boboko no na Lucas Vasquez no every agent to any management to e de abase Lucas Vasquez after season we no enya ade obetumi ato so e de man Real Madrid biem no so yense mo efiri mu eba Vasquez kwa an onko Vasquez no okwa ane onko chale yabre no nti Lucas Vasquez no ofiri mu akwa no yensem ofiri mu ebe na no pai mere esum osuo no so ye free Vasquez sensem no Trent Alexander-Arnold mamia unim say Arnold no ne jersey number ya ose no 66 na emom Alexander-Arnold next season eba be join Real Madrid no unim say La Liga rules no ema okwan ema untumi say jersey number 66 e was Trent etimi sesa ne jersey number say am possible between Real Madrid every more eba it's either say Trent Alexander-Arnold about Real Madrid number 3 na wa se na nema nyina no atumi e kama number 3 nso na se Eda Militao eno so so yensemu every more eba ana Trent be kwa kwese 26 de na Kylian Mbappe e se ne dada e Monaco ana se mpempi na o se e wo PSG no ana se Trent no obese jersey number ben emre ne nkrabia e na betre after se Trent be ba Real Madrid no eno anse na betumi ehu nsemu a ebe free more eba fa papa friend se e Carlo Ancelotti Faneto mame na Carlo Ancelotti no kwa coach Brazil coach team no ono Real Madrid ni na Brazil ni se o hwe eye TV ni so yie pa Brazil for na wase no Madrid for na was no Don Carlo Ancelotti wa ba bo bra e de ama Real Madrid boboko no na bra ba bo de ama Real Madrid am no ka say eye confirmed and say eye alleged and ntia ne nkran sa ka kire say Ancelotti no season we kwa we ya obekwa kokochi eye Brazil national team no na Ancelotti say okokochi Brazil a ebe na ho se pa ho ne ani die pa pefe say obetumi arrange friendly match against Brazil and Real Madrid na just a lineup no betumi akwa say ya Vinicius Junior no bebo Brazil na so bebo Madrid Rodrigo Goes bebo Brazil na so bebo Madrid Eda Militao bebo Brazil na so bebo Madrid Endrick no Felipe ono bebo Brazil na so bebo Madrid no eno ye questions anipa bebre no omo ebisa for Trent Alexander-Arnold Mfoni ne sanso famame na Trent Alexander-Arnold na ye kana sem no chale papa no wa ba bebo bra o Trent ni na Trent no lipu for na dwa esanso omo se Trent no sesi e no osin Al-Qaeda Trent ye de nusuba tutu obi o Bible mu a Trent Alexander-Arnold no otise Judas na wo Judas ni Yesu adi communion we wo Yesu ama opan no ama wadi o fa akwa consequence okwa yi chairman ama oba so koko yi Yesu ma na eye no Peter so koko tru obi aso na Yesu asanso akoyi se no de aso na tado Jesus na Judas ayiwa ma sanso na Liverpool for ni kiremu a Trent no ode ye omo na Trent na no Liverpool for ni kiremu oyi omo ama no unim say Trent Alexander-Arnold as a right back yo bo edema Liverpool no assist ya waye no mebo bonkrofo mo ababebo bra mo agidin e wo Premier League no ma Arnold assist ahodo waye no e do so so mo de a wan kasa no wo bedriu unim say papa e friend say Paul Scholes no Arnold ni 64 assist no ye wo Premier League no no na so kuta sesi ano Paul Scholes won tumi anya e di adanse pepe say bad numbers assist Trent Alexander-Arnold obobra e o Premier League no mo ese papa friend say Paul Scholes Eden Hazard yo be be si akan anade mo friend Hazard no ni di ne bon Eden Hazard di no ye mo esan say be Hazard ofi no Belgium hono sa na mo kasa enti Eden Hazard so no papa friend said Trent Alexander-Arnold the ban sister wa Bob Racing no Premier League num uni papa friend Juan Mata na Juan Mata so no Trent Alexander-Arnold papa ni foni da hoyi ono so ebobra esen Juan Mata yo no si academy at Chelsea both Chelsea and Manchester United sema eba uni say Bruno Fernandes Arnold ekuta assist esen Bruno Fernandes Premier League no mo eno so yesemo efirima eba Bukayo Saka maza Arnold no abobra oye legend edema Liverpool ahoye a ena Liverpool for na dey ka say Bukayo Saka no Trent ekuta assist esen no Bernardo Silva yo no sinakan edema Manchester City boboko no Trent Alexander-Arnold no so no assist ekuta no ekwa animu Edison papa friend say Bernardo Silva eye Philippe Coutinho yo besi akan edema Liverpool boboko no Trent no ono so no assist ekuta no ekwa so say no almighty Cristiano Ronaldo dos Santos Jr. football goat yes ajami sunku malewa atapapa no ono so Trent Alexander-Arnold ono okuta assist SNCC moden misunku malewa suhum sawam papa no Cristiano Ronaldo Arnold okuta assist SN no a ayesemo a efirimu a eba na Trent Alexander-Arnold no fan other image never to so mamen most assist by a defender in the Premier League no most assist by a defender in the Premier League no Trent Alexander-Arnold ono enekuta Trent Alexander-Arnold no me no ka say no 2019-2020 or your 13 assists 2018-2019 or your 12 assists Trent Alexander-Arnold 2021-2022 season or also your 12 assists some with you ever Trent no on our baby media no so ordinary away from Trent and sense no yanko papa friend say Gonzalo on Osina kan Edema Real Madrid or Kuala Castilla na Gonzalo no on okuta Real Madrid Castilla team na ono oye capito that is oba Real Madrid na you can say senior team no mu a ube yanko for be to say Luca Capitano sana Spanish for nombeka de meka ye Mike ono onte capitano eno Spain cause actually ono na captain you know so ensem we free more eba na Gonzalez no unim say Gonzalo no teams bebre edomoni atete tuom ewia say Gonzalo no tokro kakra da no ho a enkomo de omo yi ni bewuram o dwadwe mone tokro da no ho a omo de omo nsa bewuram no omo akwa tabiri ze tabiri wa no omo de na ba omo team no wa besi akan etinkrane ama ne bo kire say Gonzalo no season we no ko na wie ye na ontna Castilla biem esi akan fa ma omo fa Anthony Voni mame Anthony na awro ne ho okuta bana na Manchester United eyo omo home no no say eyeduabo mpo ayenim Anthony me no ka say chale Real Betis for ne say Manchester United for ne sanso fa Anthony mo biem on another 1 year loan mani mesi akan e Spain promo Real Betis na afama Real Betis wo boku no e sanso musuro an Anthony na de ne kwa no so yensem efirimu eba omo say Manchester United for the second loan na Anthony eba bebo no Man U na entwa ne ka omo ankasa obolo na so mbetua ka na ne manyina no otumi aye kama na no pebe more live on Central Sports Arena Coastal TV Yansa Chiam Yesota no bofo akwa you host of foreigner and no pay eno no yemfiri wode enko Cristiano Ronaldo Jr. ne ba no masa esa bo France oni a also say esanso ye no kre Cristiano Ronaldo Jr. ni o tiwe ni firi wo mame a stars ne be boa me na Cristiano Ronaldo Jr. say eno na otwana papa we ekọ ne papa IG a page so and okoko post say way back Juventus no actually obobra no nim say Cristiano Ronaldo Jr. Juventus about 23 games 58 goals 18 assists mother no 9 years oh Mike 9 years now then now do Ben is 9 years now then na Mike is now she bidie Ada, a propose to a move feeling life. They are enjoying life. Ada, Sicabra, Akra, we beje. Me, but be a mania fear dream. Akra was casting. We are Sanangas and your balance. Camera no cram YouTube and your balanced. I see a whole piece is what on Chanetons near. Oh, and can you ask them to Menka? Can you ask me a Juma Coastal TV? ka me bayi nanka me da o de me mpe gidi V8 bim nanka besi me ana manya Rolls Royce bi oh nanka de me aba adwuma mia chama nanka oh dane steering wheel ni se ya ba chale me ba me the bolt na ba eno so kro bonus am so ya matis ya painting kokko obi hu mi aha ba ka kire me se me kwa yi abrabo na no Cristiano Ronaldo Jr. Ninsem ene yede mamu no a gentle reminder fane papa Cristiano Ronaldo to o mame Ronaldo at the age of 40 Saudi Pro League no na top scorer papa we at the age of 40 Saudi Pro League no urefia Roberto Firmino obobi Karim Mustafa Benzema obobi Sadio Mane obobi Cristiano Ronaldo on na top scorer ewo ho eno so so yesemo a efiri mu a eba sanso fa Ronaldo for new ever to mame na on say Chelsea for no Chelsea Ronaldo for new na Chelsea etare for mu ha na Palmeiras almost o mo tare na nkra ma ne bone say Chelsea for new hwehwia